Welcome to Hey Jag Rental Service. I'm Mohammed Kada, CEO and founder of Hey Jag. With Hey Jag Rental Service, you can rent out your vehicle and earn money effortlessly. Our platform connects you with trusted renters looking for a reliable ride. You're in control. Set your rental price, choose availability, and approve bookings that work for you, all while earning extra income with a hassle-free process. Ready to start? Next, we'll guide you through the approval process so you can list your vehicle and start accepting rental requests. Stay tuned, and let's get you earning with Hey Jag Renta. How to sign up on the Hey Jag Driver app. Download the app, visit the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Search for Hey Jag Driver and download the app. Step 2. Open the app, launch the app, and you'll see the welcome screen. Welcome to Hey Jag Driver. Make extra cash by delivering orders to our customers. Step 3. Log in or sign up. If you're new to Hey Jag Driver, tap Sign Up to create a new account. Already have an account? Tap Login and enter your details to start. Step 4. Create your account. After tapping Sign Up, you'll be directed to the Create New Account screen. Upload picture and vehicle picture. Tap the profile icon to upload your picture. Tap the vehicle icon to upload a picture of your vehicle. Choose your service. Select the type of service you want to provide. Delivery service. Deliver goods or food orders. Cab service. Offer rides to customers. Parcel service. Transport packages or parcels. Rental service. Provide rental options for vehicles. Rental service. Step 5. Fill in your details. After selecting rental service as your service type, complete the registration form with the following details. First name and last name. Select vehicle type. Choose the type of vehicle you will rent, e.g., small, medium, luxury, pickup truck, vans, cargo vans, SUVs. Car model. Specify the model of the vehicle. Car plate. Enter the license plate number of the vehicle. Phone number. Provide a valid phone number for communication. Email address. Enter your email address for account setup and notifications. Password and confirm. Password. Create and confirm a secure password for your account. Step 6. Upload proofs. To complete your registration, upload the required documents. Pick up vehicle proof. Upload a photo of the vehicle insurance or registration to verify your vehicle for rental purposes. Pickup driver. Proof. Upload a photo of your driver's license to confirm eligibility. Step 7. Submit your application. Tap the Sign Up button to submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email or SMS once your account has been verified. Step 8. Set up your car details. Once your rental application is approved, configure your car details to start renting out your vehicle. 1. Access car details. Log into your account. Tap menu, car details. 2. Driver info name, email, phone, ensure accuracy. Driver rate per day. Set if offering a driver service. 3. Car info, car name and model, e.g. Toyota Yaris. Vehicle type, small, luxury, pickup, etc. Rental rate per day. Set your price. Passengers and doors. Enter capacity. Air conditioning, gear type, fuel type. Select options. Mileage and fuel policy. Choose appropriate settings. Car number, max power, top speed. Provide key details. 4. Upload vehicle image. Add a clear photo of your car. 5. Save and list review details and tap Save. Your car is now available for rentals. Keep details updated. Congratulations! Your Hey Jag Rental account has been successfully created and verified. What's next? Start booking. Browse and reserve a vehicle that suits your needs. Manage your wallet. Track your payments and rental history easily. Check your profile. Ensure your details are up to date. Stay active. The more you rent, the better deals and offers you unlock. Thank you for choosing Hey Jag Rental Service. We're excited to have you on board. Let's get you on the road.